Well, this is the maiden voyage here of my RC wheelchair lawnmower. It's a Jazzy, Pride Jazzy wheelchair with a Craftsman mower. The mower the intention is that the mower can be removed and other implements can be attached to the wheelchair, the pusher, I guess you can call it. There's a actuator coming, and I have that little shock in place, but there's a linear actuator coming that's going to raise and lower the deck, and then there's one that's going to raise and lower the deck here. One's going to tilt it, one's going to raise it. That's so far the project.